everyone, this is Zach. I arrived here in Dushanbe, Tajikistan early this morning. A little tired, but I'm pretty excited right now, feeling pretty energetic. Today is the third day of a computer workshop that Spirit America has supported, working with the U.S. Embassy here in Tajikistan. For the last 3 days, about 20 kids from 8 regions across Tajikistan have been learning how to put computers together, how to code, how to program. 20 boys and girls representing all the regions of this country. And today was the last day. We just handed out certificates. As you can see, they're wrapping up, talking to each other. Hopefully they're going to take this energy and enthusiasm and excitement and bring it back to their local towns all throughout Tajikistan and help promote computer education and learn from all this. So I want to thank our supporters for allowing us to do this kind of good work. And I just want to say I feel really happy right now. I'm very proud of this kind of work. Thank you.